We are going to practice using some action words, specifically around the topic of running errands. So, what does it mean to run an errand? To run an errand is when you have to do something. Typically, this is when you need to go do something outside of your house. Some examples of errands could be going to the grocery store, going to the doctor, taking your kids, their supplies to school. Maybe you need to drop something off at the post office. These are all examples of running an errand. We are going to practice using some action words, specifically around the topic of running errands. Word number 1, to get. Get, spelled G-E-T, is used for when you need to go and get something. I need to go get groceries. This could be used in replacement of pick up. You could say, I need to pick up groceries, or I need to go get groceries. Word number 2, prepare. Prepare. A lot of the times, the pronunciation of this word could change regionally. Sometimes you hear it pronounced as prepare. The E will take on a slight A sound. Prepare or prepare. Both of these are correct, and feel free to use whichever pronunciation you feel the most comfortable with. This is when you need to make something ahead of time, or you're just planning on creating or making something. For example, I need to prepare some meals for the week, or I need to prepare for this meeting. In this case, prepare means plan or get ready for. Our next word is send. Send. Send is spelled S-E-N-D. To send something, maybe at the post office, or you need to make a return. I need to send this to my sister who lives in a different state. Okay, our next word is repair. Repair. Do you hear how it sounds like the word prepare? It means something totally different, so make sure that you're enunciating the R. Repair. Repair is to fix something. So if you're planning on getting something fixed, and this is the errand you need to run, you could say, I need to get the dishwasher repaired. Repair. Our next word is find. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. I need to find some clothes for my new job. Find is when you're looking for something and are going to pick something out or pick something up. Our last word is one that we've referred to already often. This is pick up. Pick up. Later on, I'm going to pick up some groceries. Let's go over some examples we could use that have these words. I need to get new clothes for the party. I need to ask my friend to repair my broken bike. I need to send a birthday card to my mom. I need to pick up my clothes from the dry cleaner. I need to help my sister prepare a meal on Sunday. I need to find a new bank and open an account. Take a minute to pause this video and write down some errands. Can you write them down in phrases using the vocabulary words we practiced today? For example, this week I have to get groceries, prepare to go camping on the weekend with my family, and send my family pictures of our outings. that would be a great example of using these vocabulary words properly. Good luck with all of your errands this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an opportunity to practice and improve your English. If you want to accelerate your learning, click this link to join our academy where you can learn one-on-one or in a group setting with a teacher like me. Good luck and see you next time.